Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up the course progression mode in the Academy and explain the key difference between them. In the Academy, there are two progression modes, linear and non-linear. To configure the course progression mode, go to its settings and choose General tab. Here you can select your progression mode, linear or non-linear. Choose and then click Save. In linear mode, learners can access the next lesson only after completing the previous one. This helps create structure, step-by-step learning process. If linear mode is enabled and the course includes manual review quiz, the learner will not be able to proceed the next lesson until the submission is reviewed by administrator. In non-linear mode, learners have access to all lessons at once. They can freely switch between lessons and complete them one by another. If the course includes a quiz for review, the learner will be able to continue learning without waiting for the review. Let's look how these modes work from the learner's side. In linear mode, moving to the next lesson is only possible after completing the current one. You need to click Next Lessons, and you can continue your learning. In non-linear mode, learners can freely navigate between lessons and choose which content to study next. In summary, linear mode is best suited for structured, step-by-step learning with clear progress control, while non-linear mode gives learners more flexibility and allows them to complete the course at their own pace. I hope this helps, and good luck with your academy!